Raz Vision. Today we are discussing about some mathematical related terms, means correlated things like that, numbers, digits and numerals. The relation between digits, numerals and numbers. Commonly the most of the students will get confusion about this thing. So all my dear students, try to understand the topic. If you are not understood, you can comment on and your difficulties and any kind of problems you are unable to understand. If you are not understood, kindly comment on my channel. And one more thing, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. And coming days you can see different types of different topics, not only mathematics, all the stuff like you can listen computer applications and social studies and newly launched items, all you can see on this channel. Please kindly subscribe the channel. Today's topic is nothing but relationship between digits, numerals and numbers. Okay boys and girls, we are going to start the lesson digits, numerals and numbers. First we will discuss what is a digit. Okay, what do you mean by digit actually? Actually digits is the term, you know that digit, DI, digits. So digits, okay, digits, what do you mean by digits? Actually digit is nothing but the symbols which is used in mathematics. Digits is nothing but the symbols we are used in mathematics. These digits, it is countable, means you can count. Digits are not infinite one, it is countable. We are using around 10 digits in mathematics, and there are 10 digits we are used in mathematics. You can see the first digit is 1. You can start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the commonly used digits. So you know that these digits will be created, and with the help of the digits we can create numerals. So we will discuss about numerals afterwards. So not only these digits, this is in Hindu Arabic numerals. We will call this Hindu Arabic digits, and Roman digits are there. Some Roman digits also you can write here. It is what I told. This is nothing but Hindu Arabic. Okay, and here we will discuss same way another some are the Roman digits. Roman digit is nothing but, you know very well that this is all Roman digits. This we will call Roman digits. This is Roman digits. This all come under Roman digits. Okay, this all digit according to our we will be changed and we will give the values. So see that the digits are nothing but symbols which is used to create numerals. Okay, you understood? So I think so you understood digits. The continuation of digits, we know that from the digit we will go for the numerals. See, numerals. Numerals means it is nothing but symbols or names. Symbols or names. Symbols or names. Symbols means the symbols, or you know that the symbols. For example, I told that digits is nothing but symbols. Around 10 symbols we are used to create numerals here. See, one the symbol I am going to take here, 5. 5 is a symbol. See, actually if you write 5, it's a name, F5. Okay. If I took 6, 6 name is 6. Understood? So numerals is nothing but it is related to the digits. So digits forms numerals. Are you got it? Digits form numerals. Numerals is nothing but symbols or names. Are you got it? I think so you understood that. Okay. Now we are discussing 2 times already discussed. One is digits, another one is numerals. Now the final one is number. Numbers or numbers. Numbers or numbers. See that here I told that digits created numerals, and now numerals will create numbers. Numerals will create numbers. See, numerals will create numbers. So you know that when, for example, we are writing, here digit is 4. I written here FOUR, 4 is a numeral in as a name. When if I am writing here 140, means what we will call this number? We will call that 140. 140. Here 4 name become changed to 40. Now it will become a 40. You can see that it will be changed to a 40. 4 or a 10th place value. It is carried 10th value. From here we have to understand that digits create numerals, numerals create numbers, and that number will give an idea for us. It is mainly used to count and measure the values. It will give values for them. Digits become a value. So that will be created by the numbers. So I think so you very clear that digits will create numerals and numerals will create numbers. Okay, boys and girls, I think so this topic you are understood. Okay. So now we discussed about the relation between digits, numerals and numbers. Digits we already told that here I will write 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3. These are digits. When I will write here 143, we will not call this name 143. We will tell that 143. When it will become a 143, it is known as numbers. So this is a relation actually. This is digits, this is numerals, and this one is numbers. So all my dears, I think so you understood the topics. Thank you to listen to me, and next coming days we will get some other topics about basic mathematics which is necessary for your life. And don't forget it, please subscribe my channel and support us. Have a nice day.